Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use autocorrect and Grammarly. So let's get started guys. So what you can do is over here you'll be having this option where you can type in text or insert any text or documents. So let's say this is the text. I'll just write some false statement like spelling as let's say HOMME home, and I can also write SHORIT like this, and you can see these are my mistake spelling. So what I can do is I can just tap over here and I can just accept it, and it will automatically autocorrect my mistake. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And if you have any queries, just comment down below. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.